Hello everyone, welcome
Hello.
back to a new video. It's another beautiful day in Santa Maria. Summer has arrived. And in this video, we are going to take you to some new places that have opened up in the past month or so. We're going to do an update of the pier, and we're going to do an update on the construction of the new hotel that's opening up in the center of Santa Maria. So why don't you join us and see what's new in Santa Maria?
Let's go. It's like you say, Sunday now. What I can say is Sunday day.
Sunny day.
Sunny day.
Yeah.
Sunny day. Enjoy sunny day. Let's go. New space in Santa Maria.
Yeah, let's go see what's new.
It's a surprise for me too. Let's
Yeah,
go.
yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Kyle. Go on.
Our first new spot is a second location for Pound Keats, located across the main square in Santa Maria. They are Portuguese bakeries serving fresh bread, croissants, donuts, cakes, and other delicious goods. Be patient, the line does get long, but it's worth the wait. It's very delicious. Next up is S Point. It's a restaurant located in Port Antigo 2, serving breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We decided to try breakfast.
Yeah, but it's cooler than here.
Guys, so nice. Cafe. Plate coke.
Wait, Coke.
Como que eu ensinei por açúcar. Sempre.
Ready. Ketchup for mother's points. So sorry, good morning. My English is not the best, but I try to tell. The shakshuga is normally is one plate oriental from Israel, and I forget the name now. It's one plate, the base is pimental. But here we try to make something more fresh. We work with tomato, is some oriental spice. The egg we make normally is more Japanese style. We try to make something different, something fresh. You can eat this in the morning, in the evening, in the time you like.
Yeah, what's the theme of the restaurant? What was the idea?
The idea is it's not just one restaurant, but it's one place you can come, sit, enjoy, relax, drink one cocktail, try some bread different. We work with a lot of ingredients, lot of fresh ingredients, the different country. We play little bit because I like so much the ingredient from Italy. I like to look the face from my guests. You look one smell, you look the plate, don't have nothing more.
Okay.
Is this?
Thank you very much.
Thank you, I did that.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Dad, vai passar. Vai passar não, tem passar. Mas já nem cozinhou.
Make sure he hasn't got 4 eggs.
I come to have a little bit more bread, maybe. Sorry.
Mix salt كيكلي وتبت الفرن.
No?
Nobel.
Did you like the food?
Oh, it's different. I eat something different today. Yeah. It's so simple, natural, and saudável. How it's saudável? How?
Healthy.
Healthy.
Yeah. Did you like it? Next up is Sky Lounge, which is above Design Suites, which is in the pharmacy building. They've been open for a while, but they have changed their menu, and they are more open to non-hotel guests coming up for a meal. To get in, you have to ring the doorbell, go up the stairs to the top floor, and up there you will find a bar with restaurants and seating. And there's also a pool, but you can't use that. That's for guests only. So we sit, relax, we have a beer, and we try some snacks. It was very delicious. We got chicken tenders and a caramelized onion sandwich and some sweet potato chips. They were all very delicious. This is a great spot to sit, enjoy the sunset, have a cocktail or a meal with some friends. Just enjoy the view. Later that night, we go to the Atlantic Piano Bar to meet up with the new chef, Sean, to see what he's cooking up. All right, I'm here at the piano bar with the new chef, Sean. Sean, what have you changed here?
So I've changed a lot of things. My favourite dish is surf and turf. We have obviously the fish platter, which is new, which is a selection of all the fishes we have in the kitchen. Lovely salad, lovely sauces. With my lovely team, I have the best team on the island. I don't think you get a better team than I've got. Then we have this. This is a chef special. It's a special menu, specially made for the guests personally. So you have a personal menu, specially made for yourself. It's free for 4 persons minimum. You have 3-course dinner, and I made it personally to your taste and whatever you like. Like if you like meat, I make a special meat menu for you. If you like fish, I make a fish menu for you, and I make everything especially for you. So it's me cooking personally for you. And like I said, I've been all around the world. I've just cooked for a lot of famous people, and I'd love to show you what I can do. So come to a piano bar.
You also have the Sunday roast that's new.
Oh, thanks, Carl, for that, Matt. And also on Sundays, I have a Sunday lunch, which is going to be the best Sunday lunch. It's not Brits Abroad Sunday lunch. It's the best Sunday lunch on the island. And I'd give anyone a take. Oh, how do you say that? I would give it. I like anyone run for their money, because it really is. We have the best. We have the best steak on the island to cook. We cook at 60 degrees in a special homemade herb rub. We cook it overnight in our lovely oven, and like I said, with cauliflower cheese, all the trimmings on top. You know, really fantastic. I'm very lucky with the bosses give me all the tools to do the best job I can. And like I said, it's not just me; it's my whole team.
Up next is Fruit Delicious, which is a fresh fruit and juice and smoothie bar located inside Genuine, right on the pedestrian street near the square in Santa Maria. They have a large selection of fruit that you can pick and choose and make your own smoothie or fresh juice. Also, in the future, they're going to have more ice cream options and some takeaway sandwiches to look forward to.
Oi, Caio. Ai, me visitar novo lugar.
What do they have?
Vou gostar? Olha, é cheio de fruta. É cheio de fruta. Colorido. Vou ter alguma coisa sabe para nós? Não creio. Eu vou te sugerir. O que sabe? Que lá é manga. Manga. Manga com o quê? Não gostar de manga.
Mango ananas? That's good.
Yeah, let's experimentar manga ananas. A manga e ananas, suco. Pois é. It's mine.
Can I have a piece?
Yeah, of course. Mesmo tudo nesse som.
Very nice indeed.
It's nice?
Very nice.
Yeah, eu sabia. Yeah, obrigada. Thank you. Vai a vez de experimentar.
It's very nice.
Fica doce, fica menos doce.
Yeah, no, it's good.
Give my...
Now let's take a look at the construction update for the hotel going up near the pier on the beachfront. Work has continued to go steady. Seems to be moving along quite quickly.
The sun shines bright. New bars and restaurants. What a lovely sight. The sound of laughter fills the air. Living life carefree without a single care. So come on down. The vibe's alright. Join the dance. groove all night. Oh, Santa Maria, where joy is found. Together we celebrate all around.
And here's a look at the Santa Maria Pier. The platform that was doing the survey of the ground that was there last month is now gone. And they're still doing some digging on the land there. Nothing has been put in the water yet. I did try to swim in with my underwater camera to see if I could see anything underneath, but it was too, the water was too murky to see anything. But I had to go.
Beachfront hotels, where the fun begins. Taste the dishes, fresh and divine. Just be smart and enjoy every bite of the life. Safety first in the kitchen's embrace. Savor the flavors you love to taste. So come on down, the vibe's so right. Join the dance, let's groove all night on. Miss summer rhythms and a joyful beat. In this growing time, life feels so sweet. So raise a glass, let's toast to today. In Santa Maria, let worries drift away.
We here again.
Yeah, that was great. What was your favorite spot?
S Point.
Yeah.
What's its name?
S Point, yeah.
S
That was
Point.
my favorite. We'll have to go back and try dinner. We had breakfast. Gotta go try dinner.
Nice breakfast.
Yep.
I like so much, and I go there every more times.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you?
No, S Point, yeah.
S Point too?
Yeah, that was my favorite.
And you have the nice persons and nice food.
Yeah. We'll have to go back.
Yeah.
And we'll have to go back to the rooftop bar as well, the Sky Lounge. To go
Yeah?
back there for a meal. We only had a snack.
You invite me?
Yeah, we'll go for dinner. Okay.
And see you.
Yeah, is there anything else you guys wanted to see? Put it in the comments.
Yes, subscribe.
Yeah. What was your favorite spot? Put it in the comments. Let us know. We can do a longer video there.
Or your favorite space, we go there, visit too.
Yep.
That's great.
All right. And as always, please like and subscribe.
Follow us
And-
every time.
Yeah. And thanks for watching.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.
In Santa Maria.